So we had sessions with Dr. Debbie over a 1 year period at least, and then we did tune-ups in between. What I can say now that's most valuable that we got from those sessions are, besides our communication with one another, are always knowing that the other person is coming from a position of love, however bad an argument may get or annoying either one of us may be, and with our personalities and how we communicate and interact. That's a big one. And then bigger than that is trust. You know, obviously there was infidelity that took place, and with that there was other regular dishonesty that had taken place in our marriage from Jackson before that. And in Dr. Debbie really pushing Jackson to consult with God, to be real with him about the causes of his dishonesty and wanting to transform that. A trust that seemed impossible to ever happen before is that I now have trust with him. And I trust him. I don't have to worry about if he's being dishonest or if he's not, if our bank account is what it's supposed to be, or if it's not, if he's somewhere he says he is or he isn't. I don't have to second guess that, and took a long time. But I can say we're there now.
I remember Dr. Debbie telling me about the part about building back the trust, that in order to build the trust, I was going to have to be very transparent. I remember her telling my wife to not ask to look at my phone, just take it and look at it, which she has every right to do that. I'm her husband. But I used to struggle with that, and I used to have a problem with her doing that. But it felt so good to be transparent. It felt so good to be a man of character whom God had purposed me to be. And so doing that was one of the most beautiful and refreshing things ever. So I thank Dr. Debbie for that bit of advice. You know, you are my ultimate blessing. I love you.
And you're mine. I love you.